Alright, I am back from a week off. Last time we made dips for the Super Bowl and a boozy brunch for Valentine's Day. If you've not seen them, check the description below. Today we are going to make making hurricanes in preparation for Mardi Gras next week. To start, we are going to add 2 ounces of dark rum, 2 ounces of light rum, 1 ounce of coconut rum, a half ounce of lime juice, and a quarter ounce of grenadine, as well as 2 to 3 ounces of orange juice and passion fruit juice. And we're going to combine all of these in a cold shaker and just shake really thoroughly. And cue the slow-mo. Nice. And we're going to pour in a very tall glass all the way to the top. And of course we cannot forget to garnish. And going away from kind of the traditional New Orleans hurricane of an orange slice and a cherry, we are going to add some dried apricots, some candied ginger, and you know what, we'll keep the cherry. And there you have it, the perfect drink to bring Mardi Gras to your home. Let me know what you think and enjoy. If you enjoy the content, feel free to subscribe. It's free, and you can stay up to date on all new cocktails and meals. See you next week. YAMAS.